Okay, good day everyone. I'm starting a new series in this channel called Pro Tips for Bar Exam Takers. All tips will be based on what I've experienced last year when the new bar exam settings were installed. Specifically when the bar exams were regionalized and the Supreme Court started to use Exemplify and the ExamSoft application for taking the bar. This is coming from someone who have also experienced the bar exams when it was centralized and the exams were written in booklets. Here, I intend to share my experiences from these bar exams and give the upcoming bar takers some insights to help them in their journey towards getting that dot. So before we proceed, allow me to share that for every bar taker, one of the primary considerations na magbibigay ng edge sa inyo sa exam season is well, aside sa mga inaral nyo at yung retention nito ay time, oras. Especially the day before and during the bar exams. So this is a pro tip to help you with that. Okay, first, at this point, marami na siguro sa inyo nasa number 4. Nasa number 4 ng bar plus application status nyo. Kapag nag-green lahat yan, the Supreme Court will send you an email instructing you to choose an exam venue. My first choice, well on our time, my first choice at the second choice na ibibigay. I'm not sure kung same pa rin ang venue as the 2020 and 2021 bar exams. Last year, ito yung mga venues. Ateneo de Manila, Manila Adventist College, University of Makati, Far Eastern University, and University of Santo Tomas. And eventually, they added 3 more sa NCR, UP Diliman, and UP BGC, and De La Salle Taft. I live in a province na walang malapit na exam venue, so I had to choose a venue na may available areas na pwedeng i-rent kahit weekly or monthly basis lang. I got De La Salle University Taft approved. So once masigurado ko na yun yung exam venue ko, I had to be strategic kung saan ako mag-stay. Exam venue was in Taft. This is Taft. This is the exam venue. Brother Andrew Gonzalez Hall along Taft Avenue. So this is the exam venue. See that building. So I looked for areas na kung saan pwede tumira. Walking distance lang sa venue. I chose this one right here. Green Residences. This one, the green building beside Brother Andrew Gonzalez Hall. This one, Green Residences. Oops, Green Residences. Green Mall. And it worked wonders for me. Okay, during the bar exam, especially on the first day, sigurado everyone will have trouble sleeping dahil siguro sa adrenaline, excitement, and probably anxiety. Dahil hindi nyo alam kung ano mangyayari the next day. Mangyayari dyan kung kayo sa tulog. So imagine kung babiyahe ka pa sa day of the exam. Wala ka ng tulog masyado. Babiyahe ka pa. Hassle. So, imagine kung dito ka nakatira. Dito yung exam venue. Bababa ka lang, pipila, then papasok ka na. Okay. Siguraduhin nyo na kung saan kayo mag-i-stay, dapat mabilis yung mabilis ang internet connection. Kasi doon yung kukunin yung online nyo na lang makukuha yung mga last minute tips, mga last minute instruction ng Supreme Court, yung mga last minute tips from your respective review centers, from your school. Ayan. make sure na solid ang internet connection niyo. Then, yun. On the day of the bar exams, ano ba nangyari sa akin? Actually, kami, 12 midnight, dinownload ko yung exam. It's ready for download. Tapos, natulog lang ako mga 3 to 4 hours kasi nagising na ako dahil sa excitement or kaba. Yung ginawa ko, bumaba lang ako sa building, sa condo. Yeah, bumaba lang ako dyan. Pagdating ko dito, around 4:35 or 5 a.m., may pila na dito. May pila na dito ng mga kasama niya mag-exam dito sa Brother Andrew Gonzalez. So, pagdating ko sa taas, sa exam room ko, umidlip pa ako ng konti, mga 30 minutes, para lang ma-ensure na gising yung utak ko after. Ayan, okay naman yun. Pagka time na ng exam, mag-buzzer naman na malakas, magigising kayo. So, don't worry about that. Then, dyan, after ng exam, baba kayo dyan. Akyat kayo sa condo or sa room nyo. Bawal ang postmortem discussion. So, diretso na kayo dun sa taas. Tulog na kayo. Then, idlip kayo ng konti. Pag nagising kayo around 9 p.m., plan whatever you need to do and accomplish bago ang susunod na exam day. On our part kasi, isang araw lang ang pagitan na exam. So yes, it was a struggle. Yun, hopefully, sa bar exams day nyo, mas mahaba ang pahinga nyo this time around. So to recap, time is the most valuable asset pagdating sa bar exam. Use it well. Yun. Good luck and God bless mga future panyeros and panyeras.